Hello guys, we are here again to analyze the synthetic pairs. So this is for synthetic traders, all right? This is for synthetic traders. So if you are new to my channel and you are not a member yet, a subscriber, please kindly click on the subscription button, all right? To join the families, all right? So we are going to be analyzing the synthetic pairs. We are going to be diving in to see what the price is actually doing on the synthetic pair. So I have about 10 pairs I would like us to look out to. All right. So I have about 10 pairs I would like us to look out to this week, which is a volatility 10 index, volatility 25 index, volatility 50 index, 75 index, 100 index, step index 200, and boom 500. We have crash 500, jump 500, and volatility 50 index. So these are the pairs we'll be looking out for this week. All right. So if you are trading any of these pairs, stay tuned to it. Volatility traders, take any of these pairs and trade. All right. This will be a very nice trade for you this week. So we'll be looking up to volatility 10 index, which is the first one. I'll looking up here. I'll be analyzing down from the 4 hours time frame to the 1 hour time frame. TRSS can be traded in any time frame. All right. I'll be doing a video on that, on how the time frames you are gonna be using in trading the TRSS. For those of us that are not that familiar in trading this strategy. All right. So this it's on this volatility 10 index. You notice price currently, this is the lowest level that price made. And then before this massive move to the upside, and then this is the highest level that price approached to before a pull down. You notice price created and then created this low. If you drag this low backward, you notice that price has been rejected multiple times on this particular loan. So this is a very strong zone for price. So that's why I always mark out a low and a high, because if you drag it to the previous, you understand that it has been tested multiple times. So it has potential power to pull back price. All right. So those are your interest zones, or you are looking out for a buying and a selling opportunities. All right. So we'll be going down to the 1 hour time frame to see what the price is doing. So I'll be stopping at the 1 hour time frame. You can go down to any time frame you like to trade. Is it the 15 minutes time frame? Is it the 5 minutes time frame? Whichever time frame you want to trade with, all right? So it's 4 hours time frame and 1 hour time frame are the time frames I'm using to analyze for the week. All right. So if you look at this price, this is the lowest level that price made, and then push up to this particular highs on the 4 hours time frames. Sorry, on the 1 hour time frame. So we'll be expecting price to come in here and then continuously going down. This is a breakout structure telling you that price is actually going down. And then price came out the way to meet up these highs. But what is happening here? Ooh, price is rejecting it. You see it. It has to be very smart. This high now that price created here. You notice price makes something like an equal high. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm seeing, but I've been on limited seats. Price came here, came back here, make a little retracement. Then this is a breakup structure. This is the move telling that price is actually going down. Then price made this momentum move, take out this low. And then riding back to this high, like I always tell you guys, price make a momentum move to break the current low or this low. Notice that price will have to go back to the high which it created and then shooting back down. You notice this low having been tested twice. So same thing we have to apply here. All right. So look for a selling opportunity. If price should break above this high, then you continuously buy. All right. So this is it. Price is actually trying to give us a retracement here. So all you just have to do is to just pay attention to these lows. So if price is able to break out of this low, then you sell with price. So we'll have the next one here. Let's not waste time. Let's be snappy in every analysis we are doing. Pay attention so that you can be able to flow along and grab what we are doing, what I'm doing. All right. So, and I'm currently on the 1 hour time frame. If you notice, 1 hour time frame created, this is the highest level it came to, and then before this, trying to move down, and then created this low, created this low, and created this low, And I think those are the lows I'm gonna be marking out for. At least this low will serve you throughout the week, and then these lows and this massive momentum push low here. So I think these lows will serve you for the week. If you go down to the 1 hour time frame, you discover that these small lows they are seeing here is a very massive move, because why am I marking out? Okay, this will be very tight for price. Price didn't break here, giving us these highs, and then retrace on this up. Couldn't get to this zone. This is a momentum where it broke out with a momentum move to the upside. So, and if you go down to the 1 hour time frame to see what the price is doing at the 1 hour time frame, you notice that 1 hour time frame is actually giving us an uptrend move. Why is it an uptrend move? For those of us that are not familiar with an uptrend move, notice price break out of this high. This is a break of structure, giving you that price is actually going down, going up. So you notice this high price is trying to make a retracement. So the only powerful zones that can hold this price is here. So once this low is broken, what is price trying to tell you? That I am not I am coming down to this low before I can go up, because this is a low that push up to break this high. Price is trying to give us an equal high here, the liquidity zone. And then what happens if price should break here? You join sellers back to this here. You exit. Don't aim too far. Not you get the market. All right. Take to the low, you exit to the high, you exit to the low, you exit to the high, you exit when broken, you enter to the next zone, you exit when taken out. So that will make you stay profitable. Right? Follow the market structure is the best strategy you can get so far. All right, by following the market structure and the price actions. So I'm going to down to the next one. There's no waste much time going down to the 50 index to see what the 50 index have for us. Currently on 50 index, I'll be going down to the 4 hours time frame to see what the 4 hours time frame have for us. On the 4 hours time frame, we're having this is the highest level price give, and then price giving us this low, and price push up. This is the lowest level that price gave, and this is the highest level that price gave. Price gave us this, and then now price is breaking out. So this will be a zone where price can come in and then continuously going up. So I'll be giving you, because why am I marking at the lows? Like I told you, if you are watchful on my previous videos, I'm telling you that whenever price is going up, the powerful zones that always reject price are the lows. The lows that price the lowest lows that price are making are the powerful zones that always hold price. You notice this low pushing price. So if price is pulling back, it can pull out the way to this low. This low have a potential power to pull back price and continuously going up. This is telling us that price is currently moving up. A breakup structure, and then 1 hour time frame is giving us a massive put to the upside. Wait for it to come in here, and then you enter for a sell opportunity. Boom, a buy opportunity, sorry. And then if you wanna don't trade against the trend. Trend is giving you uptrend, so don't trade against the trend. It's not advisable. All right. So let's go down to the next one. 75 index. 75 index. I'll be going down to the 4 hours time frame to see what the 4 hours time frame have for us. On the 4 hours time frame, we're having these highs, that price created, and we're having these other highs again that price created on the 4 hours time frame. Be watchful of the highs. Why we all traders are making mistake is because we don't mark out our highs very perfectly. If you can be able to mark out your highs very perfectly, you will stay profitable. Trust me, putting your discipline aspect of it and your patient aspect of it, becoming profitable will be very easy for you. And then you notice price will have to come all the way to this high. This is the high. Like I told you, this is the high that broke out of this low. So price will have to go back there again, and then before the sellers can then continue selling the price. Remember, price is on downtrend on the 4 hours time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame now, you'll be seeing that the current price will be giving you an uptrend price, which price is trying to create here. So all you just have to do is this massive move that break this high is what you'll be marking out for. So for price to come in, and then if price can come in here, this is another low because once price broken, it retraces and created this low that pushes up to this high. So this is where price gave us an equal low. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm talking about. This is it. Price came up and then push up, push up, came here now trying to make a retracement. Have you seen an equal low? Telling that price is continuously going up. Whenever you see this kind of equal low, price hits second time, come back again, hits, and then finally give you this breakout. Know that price is currently going up. All these things is doing, you can come back here and then continuously going up. So just know that price is an uptrend until it gets to that high, which I told you. That's when the sellers we then taken. Don't forget this high have already been taken out. So we'll go down to the next level here, which is our 100 index. So let's be snappy. Don't want the video to be too long, all right? So let's be snappy, 100 index. So 100 index, I'll be going down to the 4 hours time frame to see what the price have for us on the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, we're having this lowest low that price created here. And we're having this as a low as well that the price created here. So whenever this low is being broken, it's telling you that price is continuously on a downtrend. All right. 4 hours time frame is giving us this massive push as an uptrend. All right. And then downtrend, this is giving us a massive push. This is a high, massive push. This is a high. So if this is able to resist and then break out of this high, another price is an uptrend. So all you just have to do is to wait and then you continuously buying with price. But if price did not do that and then break out of this, another price is actually selling back to this particular low which it created. So, and that is how you can be able to be determining your TP targets and your stop loss targets. So just mark out these highs. Those are powerful highs that have potential in trading. So if you mark it out, you can go down to your weekly, your 15 minutes time frame. This zone to this zone will be very wide for you to trade, all right? So if you notice, okay, if 1 hour time frame can give you even 1 hour time frame, you trade it here like this, everywhere clear my guy, and I can lot from year to year, you exit. You scalp it from here to here, you scalp it and then you exit, look for a selling opportunity, and then you write it down. Don't forget, price gave us an Apollo here. Price is trending back to this low. So once this low is being broken, massive sell to the downside. All you just have to do is to continuously selling volatility 100 index. All right. So we'll go down to the next one, which you have here in my book. Step index 200. So step index 200. Let's see what the price have for us on step index 200. And I'll be going down to the 4 hours time frame to see the overall trend of the markets. So I'll be refreshing my chart. Overall trend of the market, price have been on bullish. Price currently making bullish, and they came all the way to this particular zone. You see failure to create a new highs, and then what happened? Price came back down, and then this is a new high that is created, and then created this low. It created this low. No low have been broken. Notice price came here, boom, it went back up to this high. Coming to the next time again, this is it. So whenever this low is broken, now that price is actually heading back to the next low, which pushes out to break this high. And then once this low is broken, know that price is actually heading back to the next low, which pushes out to break a high. All right, so this is it, and we'll go down to the 1 hour time frame to actually see the overall view of what the price is doing. Overall view, we're having this high. So once this high is broken, and then know that this is a change of character back to this high. So it can take a buy, yeah. So if that doesn't happen, and then you notice the sellers keep on selling, because as you can see an equal high here, they say sellers keep on selling, 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 break out of this low. Let's say price break out of this low, retrace, keep on selling with, oh, sorry, keep on selling with price, all right? And if price should give you a retracement, because you notice he have been rejected multiple times, so price should give you that rejections, then that would be a massive buy. on the step index, 200. So we'll be going down to the boom. Where are my boom traders? Boom 500 index. So we're going down to the boom 500 index. These are the pairs you'll be looking out for the week. Trade it with careful, patient, discipline, confirmations. All right. So, and you notice price giving all these highs and giving us these highs, giving us these highs, and is there any other highs? 4 hours time frame, making it these lows. So if this low, what is this? Men looking at this now, what is the price when you're marking? It is sweet as a marker be. What is the price trying to tell you? It's sloping. Price is sloping. It's sloping downward. This is a seller zone. With the way the market said, you see, this is low, higher than this, higher than this, higher than this. This is lower than this. You see, this price is trending downward. Is a seller. So all you have to just do is to be respecting this size. Once this size is broken, come back to this size. So this price will come back here. Once broken, come back here. So if you go down to the 1 hour time frame, why market is so tight here is because of those that are using the lower time frame, like a 15 minutes time frame, your 5 minutes time frame, so that they can be able to see entry early, nice entries, all right? So this is your key level, this is your key level, this is your key level, this is your key level. So if price couldn't break this high and then you notice price trend down back to this low and take it down, now that price is actually going down. Then if price couldn't take this down and then make a retracement back to this high, then another break here, another price is coming up to this high. Once this high is broken, another price is coming up to this high. Just logic of trading, okay? So we'll go on to the next one without wasting much of your time. And be going to this crash 500. Crash 500 to see what price is doing. Whether it's actually crashing or not. Crash the crash if we're waiting a good now. So let's see our crash 100 and see what the price is actually doing on crash 100. I think the network is kind of bad, but we'll have to. So crash 100, we'll be going down to the 4 hours time frame to see what the 4 hours time frame actually have for us. So right, I think the network, I bad. Sorry for that. Let me share the chat again. And so we're back again in the charts. I'm currently on crash 4 hours time frame. So let me go down to the 4 hours time frame to see what the price is doing. 1 hour time frame is giving us, you can see this giving us an Apple high here. So actually the network is kind of bad though. So let's see currently on the 4 hours time frame. So I'll be analyzing with the 1 hour time frame. The 4 hours time frame is having difficult loading. You can see it's having difficult loading. The one that is loading is 1 hour. So you can actually use it in any time frame analyzing. Just mark out your highs, and those are your key important zones. Your highs. You can actually trade. Even you can analyze it to the 1 hour time frame and still trade on the 1 hour time frame. You can analyze it with the 15 minutes time frame and still trade on the 15 minutes time frame. You can analyze it with the 1 minute time frame and still trade on the 1 minute time frame. Okay. So if price should, this would be a consideration for price. Now this is a low that price made here. And you notice price actually took out this low here. So price haven't retested on this low that it took here. So it have to come all the way to retest. And this is a high that currently took out this low. Like I always tell you guys, price will have, and this is a momentum move. No much buyers are in the market to resist the price. So price will have to come all the way to this high again. And then before the sellers will keep pushing the market down. So once this low is being broken, would I consider this a correct low? Okay, this is it. If I should drag it, this is the correct low here. I think this is where price is actually making a retracement on. And this is another key low here. So once this zone is broken, it's coming back to this low. And once this low high is being broken, You see it going back. Once this high has been broken, going back to this high. Once this high has been broken, going back to the next one. So no momentum push here to hold the price. So if price is going up, it will have to go massive up. So all you have to do is to mark out this small high that's here. So if price should take out this, I know that price is changing character to an uptrend. All right. So that is for the crash. Sorry for the network issue for not getting to the 1 4 hours time frame. It's same thing though. So we'll be going down to the jump 50 index to see what jump 50 index have first. So currently now I'm jump 50 index, they're going to the 4 hours time frame. So currently now I am at 4 hours time frame in jump 50. So marking out this looks so simple to analyze. Marking out these highs, and marking out these highs. All right, so these are your key zones. And if you notice this high price has broken it out and then try to give you an uptrend move, telling that price is trending all back to this high. All you just have to do is to mark out this low that have potential of rejecting price. You see the price try to give you an equal high here. This is an uptrend move. Boom, equal low. Equal low seeds came back here, give you something like an equal again, seeds, and then continuously going up. So this will be a retracement and then riding back here. So price is heading back to this high because why? This is the highest level. This is the highest level that broke out of this low structure. So this is considered a low. You see, it's considered a low on this particular zone. So price will have to trend all the way to this zone. This is where you'll be looking for a selling opportunity. All right. So right now you should be looking out this week. I think this week, look a buying opportunity, buy back to this particular zone. And then from here you look a selling opportunity. All right. So we're going to be heading back to the 1 hour time frame to see what the 1 hour time frame have for us. So right now I'm currently on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame here, we're having the price trying to make an equal high here. We're having the price, let me refresh the chart here. Let's see what the price is having. You see price pushing up. It took out this high. It took out this high, telling you that price is actually going up. And then what happened? All you just have to do is to pay attention and mark out this low on the 1 hour time frame. So if this low is broken, know that price is actually trending back to this low before the massive push. So if price retrace rejected on that low and then currently break this recent high, it gave us here. Now that price is actually going up. So two things are involved in this market: price break here, retrace, and then you sell with price. And then price is currently constituting in that particular zone. And price should break here, retrace, and then you continuously buying with price. So these are the two things that price can do on that particular zone. All right. So we are going down to the last one, which we have here on the volatility. What's volatility 51S index? So volatility 51S index we have the 4 hours time frame here on volatility 51S index. 4 hours time frame. What is it showing you? Boom. Currently I'm going up, I'm going up, I'm going up. Ooh. See, its price is going up, created this low and pushing up to these highs. Once that high is broken, then you know that just join the buyers, all right? So we're having this low, we're having this low, and we're having this low. So why am I marking out the lows? Like I told you, price is going upwards. You'll be marking out the lows. If price is going downwards like this, you notice I'll be marking out the highs, the highs. So those are my interest zones. So now I'm marking out the lows because price is going up. And if we go down to the 4 hours time, 1 hour time frame. So your 1 hour time frame, all you just have to do is to pay attention. If whenever side if price should break this high because price is currently here now, if price should take out this high, if price should take out this high and retrace on it, then you should be looking for a buying opportunity. And if price should come down here and take out this zone, these are your interest zone, look for a selling opportunity. So right inside here, price is consolidating. All right. So this is for the one for the analysis on the synthetic pairs. So I wish you a nice trade for the week. All right. So don't forget to share to your friends to also get a clue of what the price is going to do next week. All right, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. So this is it, guys, and take care and bye for now. All right, cheers.